Whoa. Do you guys see that? I think that was from that one tower. Wait, no, it's not that. I thought I remember that from something in Zone 9, like Tovite or something. Oh. Okay, why did I go that way? Well, this way. No, like on the thing. This is the best one to do first because you're going in the direction of the spinner to where you want to go. So it makes more sense. That's basically what I was trying to say. Let me tell you, this would not be a fun tower to rebeat. But I bet Kenster would be the type of guy to rebeat it. What the hell? I'm not even resetting. Because I've been resetting runs multiple times on floor 1. Come on, I want to first try getting to D side. Now I'm all alone. Great. I'll have my own commentary and stuff and such. Oh, guys. I can't. No, I can. I'm not saying that, but... So my PB right now is the true test, and I feel good about it, but didn't I fail something else? Yeah, I failed the last jump of the dropper on floor 6. And I got really mad because I probably would have made it through, and I'm getting better at infiltration. I don't even know if I'll pass infiltration at this rate, then pass it again. No, I feel like I'm fine with infiltration. Why am I arguing with myself? This is Tower of Teehee time. This is what it does to a man. Wait, me? No, I'm not a man. I'm a boy. Boy. When boy turns into man, he will be maneth. Yes. I don't ever want to play these jumps again. These should be the last time I'm stepping in these jumps. I'm doing these jumps specifically. Well, not this, because it's a recovery thing. Adachi. I don't even know what that is. Yes, very good. This is what we want to see. That's not what we want to see! I apologize for this fumble. What is that green block? Wait, I'm returning and I won't do a fumble. Wait, I could technically submit this run to speedrun.com. I mean, I've got the full run. Well, wait, I'm using items. Oh. What if I just didn't? I don't think I need to use items. Oh, I already did. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever use them. There's floor 3, and now we're on floor 4. I think what he's doing is he's just gonna call me back whenever I beat it, because he's been sick of me failing it. Yep, we all know what to do. We've all seen it. Why?
You sold.
Oh, I thought you left.
You
Whoa,
sold,
what? I thought you left.
You sold. I wanted
What?
to-
You're not answering me.
You sold. You actually sold. You sold the most.
I didn't know.
You actually sold.
I thought you left. I like selling when Ken isn't here, but Ken will whack me with a belt for real if I sell.
You sold.
Bro, there's safety nets, or there's.
You're the most selliest person I know.
There's major BP. There's good BP, and there's BP that's good.
Never ever going to
Okay,
go to
that's
a
good
site
to know that you're
contest
good.
ever again.
What? Never go into a what contest?
Never go into a sight read competition. Or this is what would happen.
I've already sight read it, and I think I sight readed. I said I sight readed 70% of the final thing. Come on, bro. I think I did.
Well, one fail is all it takes.
One fail is all it takes. Ooh.
Don't sell again. We're gonna find your health.
I think if you knew how to find it, you would already be doing it. Because I know your curiosity level is 200%. Oh no, now my timer is gonna be 10 minutes and now I'm not Sigma for not reaching it under 10 minutes.
Because you suck. Never ever go to the face of the earth ever again. With your lack of skill.
Yeah, how is this bro managed to beat Gen Fail?
That's the reason why you sold on floor 9.
Floor 9? Floor 9 is the easiest. That loses like 20 seconds. What do you mean?
One time you said that skip took 25 seconds and you're really happy about that. Don't sell it.
So wait, what did you say? What did you say about... No, floor 9. I never failed floor 9.
Yes, you did. You keep failing the... No, on TOGF, you keep failing the last jump of floor 9 on TOGF.
I only fell into the GBJ like once or twice. I think twice, maybe.
And I failed 0 times. Get out.
Okay, well you're
What? I was the same skill as you when
you're a different kind of player. You were a born Ito. I wasn't born Ito. At least I can do more math equations. I still think I'm better at math. I think I can do more math. No! Oh! I'm so glad I didn't fall me below. But wait, like, I still think I'm better at math, though. Right?
Prove it.
Debatable.
Prove it. Prove it. Give me a math problem. It's not that I can't. Come on, just because you learned Stinko Stan doesn't mean you're smarter than me.
No, like, what's like...
I know how to factor equations. I know what the quadratic formula is. I know what y equals mx plus b is. I know y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2.
What is the secant angle if the outer arc is 100 and the inner arc is 50 degrees?
An arc?
Yeah, what if you have a circle with a secant and the larger arc formed is 100 and the smaller arc formed is 50, what is the secant angle?
The arc.
No, the answer is the arc of the circle. If the arc of the outer one is 100 and the arc of the inner one is 50.
The secant, oh. There's like two secants? Secant...
yeah, what's the... Yeah, it's formed, the angle is formed by two secants on the circle.
So
what's the angle of it?
So cosine -1 and cosine -1. Cosine to the power of negative.
Are you sure that's what secant is, bro?
I thought. Yeah, I thought it was 1 divided by cosine.
By the way, do you want to know the answer?
No.
When will you figure out the answer?
When I want to.
What, in when you're actually taking geometry in 2 years? It's 25 because the secant is half of the outer arc minus the inner arc. Half of 100 minus 50 is 25. Do you want to know what some other ones are? Like the chord? Do you know what chord is?
Um, just, yeah, just,
So if
just explain it on there.
I'll explain it after D side
I don't
and
care to do it right now. It's not. It's a safety net, bro.
okay.
I'm just kidding. What you?
This isn't a safety net, but I'll explain it. A chord is like two lines from the edge of the circle, like they bisect each other at one point, so they're like chords.
1 point on the circle.
Yeah, by 1 point on the circle, and they like make an X somewhere in the circle, and then like the arcs, it forms like it cuts up two of the smaller arcs of the circle, and then the sum of like the interior angle of the chords is half of the sum of both of the arcs that it cuts off. Half the sum. And then the other one I told you with secant is half the difference. Oh.
Oh, secant. Oh.
What? Did it just click for you?
Oh,
this has nothing. This has nothing to do with cosine. Sine, cosine.
Oh.
But there is another one called a tangent. I don't think it has. I don't think it has anything. No, it doesn't have to do with the tangent in trig.
No, like, cause I thought you were talking about secant and cosecant, and then
No, like
cotangent.
Like a circle tangent. Do you know what a circle tangent is? Like describe what the line is.
It's a line.
No, it goes on the circle, the edge of the circle. Well, no, it touches the circle at 1 point, like at the edge. Yeah, it touches it at 1 point.
Oh, I just skipped.
And a tangent kind of looks like a circle with a spike on it. Or like a cone, like a birthday cone hat. This is it, right? Okay, run. Go.
Persona.
When am I gonna get this?
Never ever in my advanced math class that I was on I never learned.
Yeah, because you're not at my advanced level, bro.
Skip transition.
Yep, I'm skipping the transition, but I still gotta watch out.
Just, can you give me like a lecture?
I promise you after this.
Is it?
If I beat this, I'm on to infiltration.
Oh, so it's not safety net.
No, it's not. None of this is. This is.
Even that one?
No, it's not. Not this either. 6 isn't completely safe. I told you there's one unsafe challenge, one that brings you to floor 1, and 2 safe. Okay.
So after this, remember to press F instead of jump. Remember that, man.
Flip instead of jump.
F.
F and jump. F and jump. F and jump. F and jump. No, F and jump. You were distracting me. Okay. Lecture. What else is there? Oh, there's also like
No, just.
What's this secant tangent one?
Just start from the just start over. Like.
Should I lock in for this one? Yeah. This one just sends me back to floor 1. I don't have to redo D side anyway. but that would take way too long to get back.
Is that timer lenient?
Yeah.
That or wasn't? Yeah, so lenient. You're still not.
Okay,
thinking.
wait, I actually think I remember this from the guide. That last part on the X pusher, I think that was actually a GBJ. Yeah, look. I think this last part is over the void, yeah. Okay, what was I saying with the chords? Like, this is the last thing we've been
Just
learning.
restart. Just restart. Like start like do something simple and slowly get to more related. Like you start from rise over run, and then you go to y equals mx plus b, and then you go to like slopes.
But why would I teach you something you already know? I'm not teaching you something you already know.
No. I'm giving you an example. I'm giving you an example.
So like the start of what I've been learning. The simple parts of what I've been learning with the circles, like, I don't know, I think it's like... Did we do anything else with the circles? Hold on! No! There it is! Yay!
Alright, man. Just start on something simple and then go to the circle thing.
I don't know, we've just been doing chord. Oh, actually, no, there was a simpler part to it. What was it? It was,
Okay, then.
like, with the... So you know how many arc degrees are in a circle?
Arc degrees?
Like in
a
full circle arc, how many degrees?
360.
Yeah. So like.
Yeah.
If
So do we like take a do we take a we slice a part of the circle and then we have to measure how many arc degrees?
Yes. If you slice a circle in half, it is like
180.
you know both like the interior of the circle, like an interior angle is an angle that includes where the center of the angle is the center of the circle. So if you have like 90 arc degrees is where you cut like a quarter slice out of the pizza, you have 90 degrees of the arc of the circle, but you also have a right angle in the interior. So the first part of it is the interior angle equals the arc. Like, does that make sense? It's always equal because it shares the same. If you imagine like a quarter slice taken out of it.
Slowly. Say it more slowly, and if I'm stuck, just like stop and
just like call you
just
stupid. Like restart the whole thing. Okay. So so let me quiz you. What's an interior angle? Like describe an interior angle. Of a circle.
The angle
this
that's
is all with
inside
circles.
The circle.
But yes, where is the center of the angle? There's a point. Yes, there's a point of a circle called the center of the circle. So like it would be called an interior angle. Do you know what arcs are? Is like how much of the circle you have. If you have the full circle, it's an arc because it's turning. It's an arc because it's turning, and the full thing would be 360. Half would be 180. Quarter would
is
be
that is that the
90.
same for exterior angles? I mean, it is if we have a full circle, does
Exterior?
the exterior angle
I don't think
the
there's an
ex
I don't think we've done exterior angle. It probably exists, but oh, so like outside the circle, that wouldn't really be an angle. It's not an angle if it's part of the circle. It's like an angle, but it's not. So we just call it an arc. Dude, like math teachers always have visuals, but I can't.
Well,
I can't make a visual right now while I'm playing Teehee Time.
Yeah, you could probably do like just imagine a circle and then like put like
Just imagine the
and then
circle, slice it into 4. Each of them
Okay.
is like a quarter circle. That would be your.
Yeah.
You know, there's 4 angles in the center now. It created 4 angles in the center when you sliced it. All of those angles are 90-degree angles, right? Now go to the edge of. Now go to the edge of the circle. The edge of the circle is the arc, and the arc is 90 degrees.
Yeah. Is it always 90 degrees?
No. You can change. You can change.
That's a stupid question. Why did I say that?
Of course you can change it. But it's the same. The equation is the central angle equals the degree measure of the arc. The arc that it cuts off.
And you just
because you sliced off a corner of the edge. Congrats, you know the simple concept. The what angle?
The central angle. What?
The central
angle. What?
Oh my God! I've told you the central angle. It's an angle.
No, is it an angle?
It's an angle that touches the center of the circle.
No, like I asked because that was like because you said a new word. And
what was the word?
I don't. Central angle.
That's not a new word. I've been saying central angle.
I thought you said center of the angle.
No, I said central angle.
Central angle.
Do you want to move on to the next one? Do you get it?
No.
You don't get that the do you know why the central angle is equal to the arc that it cuts off? Like if you slice it into 4 or 8, if you slice it into 8, what would the degree measure be?
360 divided by a 45.
Let me explain.
You really need to think about that. It's just half of 90. Okay, anyways,
Well,
like a pizza. Ooh, this is a good way to describe it. Like pizza. Like pizza. What's the degree of each slice of pizza at the start of the pizza? Like at the very center. At the very center of the slice. At the top of the slice. That's 45 degrees. But the arc represents the crust. Do you get that?
Yeah, no kidding, duh.
You've been confused on this for the last 10 minutes. You've been confused about this, and now I'm finishing the train ride.
Well, I know what an arc is. I know what an arc is.
Well, then tell me what's an arc.
The outer layer of the circle. The outer.
Yeah, like the edge. Yeah. And that's the same degree measure as the crust. The crust would also be 45 degrees. Is that your oh moment? Do you get it or no? Please.
Wait. I have a question. Like, Like, do you know the measure of the interior angle is 45?
The measure of the
interior
interior.
angle?
If the arc is 45.
Yeah.
The measure is
interior
45.
angle.
It's 45 degrees, but arcs can't be measured in degrees.
Then how do arcs get measured?
It's basically like a fraction of the circle.
Okay.
It's
okay,
a fraction
okay.
of how much the circle is. Because remember I told you the full circle is 360.
Oh.
It's basically saying if it was a central angle, how much would it be? Because it's equal. It's equal to that central angle.
Oh, now I know what a central angle is.
Yes!
Oh, okay. Now get some more bring more complex stuff.
Okay, next is an inscribed angle. And inscribed angles will be on floor 8. I'm almost at infiltration, so that's why. Don't overshoot it. That would be bad. That would be very bad. I think I remember all the images. The moai with the glasses, the lady holding the baby, and then the 2 characters.
Then don't do the obby then.
No, you still need to do it for the buttons. You need to get all the buttons. Yeah, there's 3 buttons.
No, fact check it. Fact check it, bro.
It's gonna be the same. If I die, then I will quit. If I die because of the paintings, then I will quit because I'm not confident that it's not. Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Lodge. I'm just kidding.
No, don't lodge, you silly boy.
You're confused. That's the wrong side. No, oh, my bad. Woman hooding the lady, glasses.
And then right. Yes, right. Okay.
Jump into the grappling hook and don't move. Whoa. Escape the infiltration obby.
Okay, so an inscribed angle is when you have it's the same as last time, but the angle is on the arc. And the angle extends to the arc. No, like it's on the edge of the arc. Like
the edge of, like from
inscribed. Like if you use 2 lines, like you cut it twice, and you make like a bigger triangle slice, because it like goes from one edge to another. And for now, I'll tell you the equation, and then we'll work out how for you to understand it. But an inscribed angle is half the arc.
Half of the arc. Okay.
So like if you have 40 degrees that's on the edge of the circle.
Arc, then
it's hard to explain sometimes.
Yeah. No, I know the formula now, but I just can't get a picture of an inscribed angle. I just only know the word inscribed
Here, what
angle,
if you
not
looked
not
up inscribed angle? I think
yeah,
we did a
actually, that's
proof
good.
on. I think we did a proof on why the inscribed angle is half, but I'm not sure if I remember that.
Inscribed angle.
Are you getting something useful? Circle. You might have to put in circle, like because it's different for a circle. Circle, inscribed angle. You see it? The difference between a central angle and an inscribed angle.
Oh no! Wait. So
Maybe because it stretches out
two
more.
lines. No. Two. So two lines. Like are bisecting each other. On one point of one edge of the circle, and then that makes a triangle, and then you have to measure the inscribed angle.
Wait, so tell me how I should have explained it. Like that? That's a lot of yapping to explain it.
I don't care. You just like explain it
After
using lines.
this, I can explain it with models. Like that'll actually be way less painful.
Okay, I'm just gonna search up the central angle, just to make sure I get the picture.
No, you probably do.
Oh, okay.
And it's equal, and it makes half.
Now I just have to search up what length of the arc. Length of the arc. Okay. Okay, explain more.
No, because I'm close to the true test. Yeah, this is almost 4:09. So no, thank you.
Just wow, that's perfect timing, man. Can you perfect time that? You almost overshot it.
No, I think there was a barrier.
Just explain one more detail. Explain one more detail.
You can search up something. Like, I think the next one we learned was the chord.
Hey, grilled cheese sandwich?
Yep.
The what?
The chord.
Chord?
Look up chord hyphen like a dash. Chord dash chord angle.
Chord.
No, not like
Spell
CHORD. Not like the chord you know of. Like a musical chord. I don't know why it's that.
Yeah, I know. And what was the second word?
Chord. Angle.
Just both.
Because there's two different chords. Okay, for this part you're supposed
Okay.
to fail on purpose.
No, don't fail. I bet you. Oh.
No, you actually
No,
can't.
listen.
It won't let you go to east side. Yeah. Whew.
Come on, good luck.
PB.
Good luck.
So this is gonna be 112 degrees. That makes sense. And both of them take a turn. So 1/2 of
Vamos! Whatever that is.
Stop shaking so much.
Wiggle! Wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh my god. The luck is so close.
Yes. Now just don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. Don't do the Okay. Okay. That's nice.
Okay, explain more.
This is
I know
safe
what the
too.
chord is.
Do you know the formula for a chord?
It's like 1/2 of the one intersected arc and another intersected arc.
Yeah, half the sum, that's what I told you. This music, though. Oh no!
What kind of jump is that?
Go. Yes.
Finally.
I think this is safe? I think you take damage. Right? Yeah. Kill. Yeah. I don't think I used items, so maybe it's eligible for speedrun.com. You guys can check. It.
And then they have to learn about the legendary of
Yeah. What?
That's
Oh.
not. You're supposed to ledge grab, jump, and then do it, but
You know, that last floor
GBJ.
used to be a GBJ.
jump. I think you jump and then
Oh, yes, go to
Oh,
the
there-
other side. And then you kind of like do that.
I don't know why.
Safe.
Take your time. Come on, you can do this. Is this a GBJ?
No, no. It's just 2 jumps. This is meant to represent 4. Oh, like 4, 3, and 2 are all compiled into 1. No, 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 no. Go to the other.
No, go to the very top and then like.
Yeah, very top. Yes, yes, very top. Or just higher up at least. What?
No, like no. Go to the very top and then spend all that height on trying to get on the sides. Don't conserve the height. Don't conserve height. That's a weird strat.
Oh wait. Oh. I think I saw a truss on the other side of that.
Yeah, I saw a truss. Don't conserve on height. Don't conserve on height. Should probably go now. And then that, I think you.
Yep, I see.
Yeah. Real nice.
Wait. Hold on.
You rap.
Yep, I saw the sign, and but it also could be the cosine of the tangent. Okay, GBJ, be careful.
Oh! What the flip?
Don't touch anything. I
What
could
the?
still theoretically die if I touch my screen right now. So that's
What
something that I'm not doing.
What the? What did you? Wow! You were shaking so hard. Look, just admire what you did.
I'm admiring everything I did. Trust me.
The most longest tower.
I'm shaking way too much from that.
Like, come on, if you failed, you'd probably blame it on the jump button.
Yeah.
Let's demonstrate the 410. Demonstrate 410 for me, please. Demonstrate the 410 teleporter.
No way, I actually did it. I did it. Okay, you guys get the point. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Okay.
No. You basically
I basically risked my run. Kind of. Oh, why did I think it was a double jump?
Why would you risk a 15-minute run?
50 minute. Yeah, I thought you said 15, but yeah, it's 50 minutes. Yes.
Come on, it's just some random complex
Come on,
jump.
don't disconnect.
If you disconnect, I'm disappointed in you.
No, you're disappointed in my luck. Be disappointed in the tower.
Oh my!
Oh my god, I don't care if it takes me 6 minutes or an hour. I don't care if I beat it in an hour. And I think the outside is also netted as well once I reach it there. Once I reach to the outside. It has its own netted section. How much of the
Dance
inside?
flip and then focus on being on the thing.
Getting up, yes. I'm gonna get up. Wait. Oh. It was a jump booster pad, and okay. Oh.
Don't do anything dumb.
No, it's safe. I think that guy, you saw that Buckaroo guy, that's the guy from Kootley. Same guy.
Did you know you could actually lodge in between those?
Bounce back and forth between the trusses.
Did you know you could like lodge, like you could lodge. No, yeah, sideways. Yeah, like that. Go wee.
Wait, I'm scared.
You go wee. No.
Okay, I'm coming soon. I don't want to redo that. I'm coming in like a few minutes. No, I don't want to do that jump again. Oh, it's a jump boost. Ooh! I thought I wasn't gonna make that jump. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, this is surreal. The feeling.
When the 120 stood jump whipping out.
125 stud wrap, it said, or something like that. Yes!
Wow, would you look at that? It's the wind pad.
You've reached the end of a long journey. Congratulations. You're overcoming a challenge not many are willing to do, and you should be proud. Simply stand still atop this mountain, and you will be taken to victory. Please hurry up.
Please hurry up. Please hurry up.
Oh, wind room. Okay, let's explore the wind room. Exhibition. Also, you can check. I did not use any items. No return. Okay, is there anything more interesting than this just being a painting gallery? Is there anything else, bro? Alright then, let's get out of this. Let's get out of this thing. Where? Where?
Outside the building, maybe?
This is kind of nice. Alright, I am ending it off here. I'll explore the wind room off
You're gonna
camera.
end it off? No, don't.
Yeah, I have to go AFK lunch. I'm ending it off here.